No, he's always still here. Take one.
Hello, sheep.
Hello, sheep.
Hello, Papa.
Silly Papa.
Hello, Toto.
Hello, turtle.
Hello, yak. Hello, yak.
Hello, giraffe.
Hello, Papa Bear.
Hello, panda bear.
Papa Bear. Papa Bear.
What did Panda Bear say?
How?
Well, I don't know. What did Panda Bear say?
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, is that-
Lunch.
Yeah?
Lunch.
What did you say yesterday, Ansel?
The boo.
The boo, when you were a panda bear, what did you say?
To the sea.
What did you say?
To the sea.
You could see. What did you get? Trick or treat?
Teddy.
You get candy. That's right.
Did you
Ansel,
eat candy?
Huh.
Ansel, what's going on
Hello,
here?
Papa Bear.
Hello, butterfly.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, doggy. You have so many animals, Ansel.
Oh, no.
Oh no, what happened?
It's a little many animal.
We have too many animals?
Uh-huh.
What are you going to do with them?
Animal.
What are you going to do with the animals?
Put the beach.
You put them back?
Put the beach.
Put them on the beach?
Uh-huh.
The beach is upstairs.
On the beach.
The other beach?
I beat that saw. I did the beach. Oh, the beach.
There's the beach. Ansel, use words.
Pee.
Please, what? Do you want me
Pee,
to...
Papa.
Please, Papa, what?
Pee, Papa, the beach.
You want Papa to get the beach?
Uh,
From upstairs?
uh.
Okay. I'll go get the beach, okay?
Okay. Ansel, can you say hi to Oma?
Hi, Emma.
Can you say hi to Tante S?
Hi, Tata.
Oh, honey. Can you say hi to Grandma? No, not on my lap.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Oma. Can you say hi, Uncle Jay?
Hi, Auntie Yaya.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma, for my costume.
Hi, Mommy. My Tata.
Yeah, what were you, Ansel?
Papa.
You were a panda bear. Was it fun?
Mommy, wait.
Mama was a witch.
Mommy, Muffin.
Yeah, Papa was a monster. Okay, Ansel, can you get up for a minute? Get up and wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. See ya.
Trick or treat, everyone.
See you, everyone.